you're experiencing account sync issues with The Sims 4, follow these steps to resolve the problem. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the sync issues effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause sync issues with your account. Step 2. Restart The Sims 4. Close the game completely and restart it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches and sync problems. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure that The Sims 4 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates through your game launcher and install any available updates to ensure compatibility. Step 4. Clear cache. Clear the cache of The Sims 4. This can be done by navigating to the game's installation folder and deleting the cache files. Restart the game afterward to see if the issue is resolved. Step 5. Contact support. If the problem persists, reach out to EA Support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue, and they can offer specific solutions tailored to your situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the account sync issues with The Sims 4. If you continue to experience problems, don't hesitate to seek further help from the game's support team.